Hi guys, I am Sapna Singh, your friend, and you are on my channel for, of course, learning communication skill. I am here to help you how to improve your speaking skill and what are the important process that we should you should follow to have good command over English language. So of course guys, I know that you might have heard by many YouTubers, by many English trainer that what are you supposed to do to have good command over English language. But yes, I hope that you know about that for learning English there are some essential topic, essential content that we should follow, like speaking and reading and listening, shadowing, all the things. But guys, personally, I want to tell you one thing that is very crucial, you can say. So it's not important to read a book only. If you really want to read this book, just um, absorb the absorb the enchanting content from this book. And if you are doing shadowing practice, if you are doing reading practice or writing practice, speaking practice, okay, if you are doing listening practice, so the most important part of this that you must have you must learn all the enchanting content from them. If means if you are doing your all these practice, of course, so I hope obviously you will find many new words and new sentence structure. So if you really want to have good command over this language, so you have to note down all these enchanting content in your personal diary, and I hope that you must have made your personal diary, okay. And of course guys, as we all are here for learning English communication, I thought that we should discuss about why we are here for, means why in this scenario, in this generation, why people are after this language, after this English language. So of course guys, I want to talk something about this English language, okay. So as we all know that English is very essential part of our life nowadays. It has become a essential part of our life, okay. And why? Because it has become an global language, an international language. And I hope you know that in most of the countries of this world, most of the people are speaking this language as their mother tongue or as their second language. And of course as it has become global language, so this time it is very important to learn this language, to have good command over this language. Because if we want to communicate people with other state, other country, so if we have English knowledge, means English communication skill, so we can easily communicate with others, like other country people. And there are many foreigner, okay. So and if you don't have good command over this communication, English communication skill, so obviously you will not be able to communicate with them. So this is why. And in every field of life nowadays, means English language has become a crucial part, we can say. Because we know very well that in every field of life, like if we are supposed to go to any interview, any interview for job, okay, so we have to crack or interview, conduct or interview only in English language, because in personally in teaching job I also faced this problem, that if as I am private school teacher, so I have also given my interview in many school, not many, but yes, in near 4 or 5 school I have given my interview. And of course guys, very proudly I can say that of course I have cracked my interview also. And of course my all interview in my school where I give my interview, it has been conducted in only in English language. Means as we are as I am an English teacher, so of course I in my interview and I was not supposed to speak a single Hindi word, especially for English teacher. And so of course in this way this is very important for me, and that's why I am learning this language. And but in these scenario in nowadays, it has not only my compulsion to learn English language. Now if I say it honestly, so guys, I am very passionate about this language. Before it, I somewhere I thought in my mind that of course yes, I have to had good command over English language, because sometime I was supposed to give interview or for teaching job. So that time I was thinking, because that time my English was not so good, means as this time I can feel myself at least fluent. I am feeling myself at least little bit confident, little bit fluent. But before it I was not feeling like this. I was feeling completely shy. And of course when it come to talk English, then I used to feel hesitant and shy, of course. So that time I thought in my mind, I used to think in my mind that oh, means look, English language is very tough, and it's very hard to have this communication skill. How can I get good command over English language in future or in some time? But yes, nowadays guys, I am realizing this fact that okay, if I was thinking like this was not wrong. But yes, now I'm thinking, because that time I was not good enough in English. But guys, if I said, I honestly I am teacher, so I am of course English teacher. But yes, I am not higher level teacher. I am only PRT teacher. But yes, I am PRT teacher, but I have good knowledge of English grammar. I have good knowledge of tense, active as, passive as, means all things at least which is enough for communication skill. But I after, despite of having good knowledge in English language, English grammar, but I was feeling afraid, scared when it come to speak English. So why was these things happening to me? That time I was confused, but now I am 100%, means I'm sure, 100% damn sure that of course that time I was feeling these things because I was not confident. The most important thing is your confidence level. Okay, if you want to do something, you must have sound confident, you must have carry confidence with you, because without confidence you can't ever achieve anything. And personally, if we are talking about English language, so guys, now means as I said that earlier I was thinking that it is very tough, it is very difficult, I was feeling it difficult to learn English language communication. But now I'm thinking, no, it's not so hard as I was thinking. Means it is just like a language. Why are we taking it as hurdle on in our mind? Just we should take it as language and we should take it easy. Only it's all depend on practice. Guys, look, when we are kids, when we were kids, means very small, so we used to speak our native language. Means of course my mother tongue is Hindi, and I know there are most of people in this world, in country, then their native language is also Hindi. So why just guys try to think in your mind that have we ever learned grammar, Hindi grammar, when we started speaking our language, native language? No, because that time we were kids, and when we used to speak our native language, our means mother tongue, so how could we speak easily? Because we there are our in our surrounding, we used to listen, we used to observe this language, and we learned this language, means our mother tongue, by listening, by speaking. Because when did we start speaking our language? That time we didn't have any grammatical knowledge, means any grammar. So without having Hindi grammar knowledge, if we could speak Hindi very well, so nowadays if we want to speak English, why can't we speak English? So these all things, only all things up to you. If you really want to speak English, so don't try to make excuses like since childhood we never got this type of environment. Okay, there must be many people who are feeling the same, who must be feeling the same problem. Okay, but just try to remove all this thought from your mind and be ready to speak from now on. So when I some time when I was scrolling my phone, so I heard some YouTuber, means during conversational speech. So when they suggest that okay, means when they suggest that yes, without having good English grammar knowledge, there are also many people who speak English fluently. So these also some people in front, means they asked like how is it possible that without having a good knowledge of grammar, how can a person can speak English or any language so fluently? So that's why I was he or she, I couldn't remember, but this time means he just gave this example. That's think about yourself just when you were kids. So that time, did you learn any grammar? So of course he said no, I didn't. So just try to think about this fact, that when you started speaking your mother tongue, I know that there must be many people whose mother tongue must be different, like as our mother tongue is Hindi, some people's mother tongue, of course, it must be different, like Kannada and Tamil, Telugu, whatever, means there are, but just try to think, when you started your mother tongue, speaking your mother tongue, that time did you have any grammatical knowledge of your mother tongue? No. So how could you learn? How could you learn without any grammatical knowledge of your mother tongue? So try to think only this fact. So if you realized, if you really started thinking about this, that yes, in the same way, if without any grammar knowledge I can speak my mother tongue so well, so in the same way I can speak English also. And of course I'm not saying that don't try to learn any grammar, as it's our second language, and of course we used to hear in our surrounding our mother tongue, that's why we were able to learn it properly. And the main problem about English language, that in our surrounding, in our atmosphere where we used to live, we never hear about this language, we never faced this type of environment that we can learn from there. But yes, of course, if you really want to learn, if you are passionate about learning this language, so you can learn right now. So that's are the fact, and that are all are my personal feeling, and that I wanted to share with you, and so that I can motivate you anyhow in this way. So that today, for making this video, my only purpose was to motivate you. And of course guys, I know that I am able to motivate you, so please try to get motivation in yourself. And please, if you really want to speak English language, so try to speaking right now. Okay, so guys, till then, bye bye. I will see you in my next video. So please like and subscribe my channel, don't forget guys. Bye bye.